Hello, my name is Mami Abna, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to use passion twist to create some beautiful butterfly locks on yourself. In order to save time, I braided my hair off camera in order to not make this video too long. So that's the 3-strand braid you see on my hair. I braided it without extension. For this style, you will need 3 packs of the Darling Passion Twist and also a pack of the natural twist. So what you see me doing right here is I took 1 strand of the natural twist and then I cut it into 2. Yes, just because I wanted my butterfly locks to be short, so I cut it into 2 and then I went ahead to crochet it in between my braids. Next off, I'll be adding 1 strand of the passion twist and making sure that one side is longer than the other. I am going to begin wrapping the hair, and with wrapping I make sure that with the roots I wrapped it about 2 or 3 times to make it tight before I began doing the butterfly locks. Now with the butterfly locks, it is not the normal traditional faux locks that we normally do. If you see my hands, I'm kind of picking the hair once I go down before I wrap. So like I pick a strand, wrap, pick a strand, wrap till I get to the bottom. That will give you the butterfly effect that we are going for. So just watch how I'm doing my hands. I'm using my thumb to pick the passion twist hair and then I wrap as I go all the way down. And then once I get to the bottom, I just flip it over like so and then wrap upwards in order to seal that end. And I'm not even doing knots, I'm not using glue, but this hair stayed in place like it didn't even move. This style is very easy to achieve on yourself, or you can do it for someone, or someone can do it for you. Either ways, it's really easy to do. This video is self-explanatory. Whew, I'm all done here, and the excitement on my face because I couldn't wait to start styling and rocking this hair. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you learned something. Until next time, my name is Mami Abna. Bye.